Hello students, let us continue the lesson Puru the Brave. We have seen in previous period Alexander the king of Macedonia attacked to India. The battle completed. King Purushottam was defeated. In spite of his weapons, use of animals like elephants in war, he could not get victory over Alexander. And after that, generals, soldiers and Alexander were sitting in the camp on the bank of the river Zelam, and they are talking about the bravery of Purushottam. All were impressed by Purushottam, means King Puru's performance in the battlefield. He killed hundreds of soldiers of enemy single-handed. Though his soldiers ran away, fled away from the battlefield, he fought single-handed. And this was appreciation by the King Alexander, and he wished that he should have or he had such a brave soldier in his kingdom, right? And he has a proud also. He has a proud also. We discussed in a previous class. And he will be brought to your majesty soon, and let us see how he behaves. He has a proud Atma Gauravam, self-respect undi kabatti. Now shortly he will be brought before you, your highness. Means here first general is talking to Alexander. Puru will be brought before you, and see how he behaves, as he is a man of pride. Alexander, I am sure he will not behave like a coward. He will not behave like a coward because he is a courageous fellow, brave fellow. And meanwhile, a soldier enters and bows Alexander. Soldier, sir, Puru has been brought to the camp. Alexander, has he been put in chains? Ante a body మీద chains ఉన్నాయా? His hands and legs tied with the chains? Soldier, yes, your majesty. Alexander, go and remove the chains and bring him in. I don't want to see a brave man in chains. Purushottam, King Puru is a brave man, and I don't want to see a brave man in chains. Go and remove the chains. And the soldier bows and goes out. Alexander, they should not have put him in chains. He is a king, besides being a great soldier. Yes, he is not only a king but a soldier, that's why he should not put in chains. And then see, Puru enters with the 4 Greek soldiers following him. Alexander and the general stand up to greet him. Puru joins to place palms of his hands and raises them to his forehead and return the greetings. And see, meanwhile, the Purushottam king got into the room in the camp, having soldiers followed by him. He folded his hands together and wished him, Alexander, you may go. Alexander asked the soldiers to go. Soldiers went away. Alexander, Puru, well, how are you, king? ఎలా ఉన్నారు మీరు? Puru, my name is Puru. He said, king. Alexander said, well, how are you, king? He asked Purushottam, but Purushottam said, my name is Puru, not a king. That is called here man of pride. Alexander, all right, are you sorry for the mistake you made? Puru, Puru, I made no mistake, sir. Then did you reject my proposal? Puru, I did. I refused to be your vassal. Vassal means a slave. Vassal. Vassal means a slave. Yes. I refused, I rejected your proposal. I don't want to be your vassal. I don't want to be your slave. Do you know what many things that many kings have greatly agreed to my vassals? Attacked on other countries. The countries who are defeated, the kings who are defeated, they accepted my vassalship. Do you accept? I know that. And I also know that none of them is Puru. Puru is the different one. This Puru is not like other kings of other countries. That's why I won't accept your proposal to be slave of you, vassal of you. First general Socrates to the second general. Oh, he is indeed a very proud man. Students, you see, self-respect is must. Atmagauravam undali, kada? Same here. King said, other kings after their defeat, they might have accepted the vassals or slavery of Alexander, but he said, they were not Puru, I am Puru, I don't want to accept your slavery. Don't you realize that you are my prisoner? Puru, I do, but that doesn't make any difference to me. I am still the lawful king of my country. I am a king of my country. There are people, my people, the Royat, the subject is waiting for me with great respect. And that's why I don't want to be your slave. Still I am the king of my country. Then how shall I treat you? Purushottam, as a king should treat another king, you should treat me like a king, not like a slave, though I am defeated by you. Alexander, Puru, you are a brave man. I am pleased with you. I want to make friends with you. You will be a friend of me? Yes. That is the greatness of Indian kings. You see in the history of the world, history of India, how bravely and how in a pride manner Indian kings fought against the enemy. Right? And here the great Alexander, who wished to rule the world, he wants to become a friend of King Purushottam, the Puru. Right? But Puru said, on one condition. You can be a friend of me, but there is one condition. What is that condition? My kingdom should remain independent and you should treat me as your equal. A condition unte, okay, I am ready to accept your friendship. Em cheyali? My kingdom should remain independent. It should not be in your control. It should be independent, and as well as you should treat me as your equal, means equally a king one, not like a slave one. Itla unte, I am ready to accept your friendship. Alexander agreed. I am proud of your friendship, my brother. Now see, he is making relations with Puru, the king. At first he said he wants to be him slave. Purushottam did not accept it. Again he proposed to be a friend of him. Yes, he accepted on one condition. Again he said he is calling Purushottam the brother. Yes, that is a man of pride or king of pride of India. Purushottam, I will do my best to be worthy of your friendship of Alexander the Great. Yes, I will do my best to be worthy of the friendship of Alexander the Great. And all the generals bow to Alexander and Puru, and their friendship continues. And in this way, though the king Purushottam was defeated by Alexander, because of his courage and his brave and soldiership, he was respected by even by the enemy after he is defeated. Okay, students, and this is the end of one act play, the poor, the brave. Right. And this is the lesson, student. This lesson is not only to read, understand, get marks in examination, but this is a lesson to everybody how to be courageous in your life. Okay. Courageous is the quality of the soldier who doesn't flee away from the battlefield in the time of need. And you are the soldiers in the field of your life. మీ లైఫ్లో కూడా చాలా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వస్తాయి. దట్ టైమ్ యూ షుడ్ నాట్ బి డిస్కరేజ్డ్, యూ షుడ్ నాట్ షో యువర్ బ్యాక్ టు ద ప్రాబ్లమ్ అండ్ రన్ అవే. When you show your back to the problem, you are defeated, not winner. Be courageous, be brave, and get the success. Okay, students? Let us stop here and let us see in the next period. Till that, have a nice day.